Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that promises to brighten up your outdoor adventures, the Renogy 100W Portable Solar Panel Kit. We found this product online and have included the link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product is all about. The Renogy 100W Solar Panel Kit is an efficient and portable solar solution designed to harness the power of the sun to charge your devices, batteries, and power stations while you're on the go. Featuring N-type solar cells, this panel boasts an impressive 25% conversion efficiency, which means you can rely on it to deliver exceptional performance even in low-light conditions. One of the standout features of this kit is its integrated adjustable aluminum alloy kickstand. This allows you to tilt the panel to the perfect angle towards the sun, maximizing its energy production potential. In optimal conditions, you can generate up to 500 watt-hours of energy per day with just 5 hours of sunlight. Whether you're camping, spending time in your RV, or simply enjoying an outdoor getaway, this solar panel kit ensures you make the most of every sunbeam. Another highlight is its compact and portable foldable design. Weighing in at just 17.42 pounds, it folds into a sleek, suitcase-sized package, making it easy to carry, store, and set up wherever your adventures take you. There's no need for bulky installations, simply unfold the panel, prop it up with the adjustable kickstand, and you're ready to start harvesting clean energy in no time. When it comes to usability, this solar panel kit is truly plug-and-play ready. It comes equipped with a pre-installed waterproof 28 PWM charge controller and alligator clip cables, eliminating the hassle of complicated wiring. The 4-stage charging technology optimizes efficiency while extending the lifespan of your batteries. It's compatible with 12V portable power stations, as well as gel, AGM, flooded, and lithium batteries. This makes it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned outdoor enthusiasts who appreciate a straightforward solar solution. Durability is another key factor to consider, especially if you plan to use this panel in various weather conditions. The Renogy solar panel is built with low-ion tempered glass, an anti-corrosion aluminum frame, and an IP65 rated junction box, designed to withstand rain, snow, dust, and even hail. Plus, it's backed by a 5-year materials and workmanship warranty, giving you peace of mind knowing that you're investing in a reliable product. The design also incorporates bypass diodes installed in the junction boxes, which help prevent hotspots and minimize power losses. The rugged tempered glass surface not only enhances structural strength but also ensures long-term durability, making it perfect for frequent outdoor use and travel. So, who is this solar panel kit suitable for? If you're a camper, RV enthusiast, or someone who enjoys off-grid living, this product is tailored for you. It's also ideal for those who spend time at remote cabins or enjoy outdoor adventures and need a reliable power source for their devices and batteries. In practical use cases, you could set it up at your campsite to charge your phones, tablets, or even a portable power station that can run lights and other appliances. Picture yourself in a remote location, enjoying nature, while still being able to stay connected or power your essential devices, all thanks to the Renogy 100W Portable Solar Panel Kit. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-efficiency, portable solar panel that's easy to use and built to last, the Renogy 100W Solar Panel Kit could be the perfect addition to your outdoor gear. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.